Welcome to the tutorial on Microsoft Teams. Over the summer of 2020, the IT department at Siena Heights University has installed Microsoft Word Office 365, as you can see in this upper left-hand corner. You can notice that you can access your email account from this screen by clicking on Outlook. Mine is already up here, as you can see in this tab on the far right side. You can also see that you have a number of options to choose from as well, but today we're going to talk about Microsoft Teams. So when I click on that, it takes us to this screen, and each instructor's screen is going to look perhaps a little bit different than mine. So for instance, this particular one shows you all the different apps that are available through Microsoft Teams. And even though there was some discussion that Zoom would no longer be used, I'm not sure I completely agree with that, because as you'll notice, that app is available right here. I haven't tested it yet, but we'll have to find out more about that. Now, I've already set up some teams for each of my 4 courses for the fall 2020 semester. Here's one for CRJ 101, 340, 344, and 440. You'll notice a lot of times you'll see these 3 horizontal bullet points, and when you click on that, it reveals a menu. So the item I'm looking at this time is to add a member to this particular course and its team. So how would I do that? I can type in a student's name, I can type in their email address, and if they're in the system, it'll permit me to add it here. And at any time that a Microsoft Team exercise is in session, I can send out an invitation to that student. Now I expect that you'll see a little blue box appear in the right-hand corner down here, and that it'll invite you to a session. And I'm going to assume that most, if not all, instructors will set the time for these discussions at a time that you're scheduled to regularly meet in the classroom. So again, what is the purpose of this tutorial? Is to let you know that teachers are likely to be using Microsoft Teams starting with the fall 2020 term. To help you understand more of it, I'm also going to include in this module a brief YouTube video that is done by Microsoft staff so that you can learn more about the attributes of this particular system. If you have any questions, you can send me an email to jcostell@sienaheights.edu. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful.